Hello, hello. Good morning mga
Hi, good
kamusang.
morning.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning
Good
too,
morning. Welcome to my vlog. This is Kamusang Naruel and this is my friend
my friend Sadiq.
Abid Khan Sadiq, Pakistani. Had a good guy, very good guy. He know how to drive carefully. You know that? Okay, kalam kalam kalam. Good morning, seem like that.
Good morning too.
Aywa, good morning to. Okay. This one my friend here.
Hi.
Now our duty, my duty and his duty is now finished. So I'm waiting
Kap.
the time in going home, going Bella. Now standby. I'm waiting for the hour in a minute. Tama ba ang English ko? Tama ba ang English ko? Parang mali yata ang English ko. You know how to English mapi ha? Mungkin
Yes,
may
soya
English
soya
is
malum.
na suya-suya malum English. Mapi malum English. Okay, kayo po ay naghihintay. Actually, naghihintay kami ng oras na lang para umuwi.
Kulas, kulas.
So, nandito ako sa kanyang sasakyan na dinadala. So, nakatambay muna ako dito. So, yun po. At maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik ng aking videos sa ah, YouTube channel. Meron po akong YouTube channel. So, pakisupport na lang po, pasubscribe at palike na lang po. So, yun po. Maraming salamat and God bless us all. Okay? Thanks for watching. Magandang umaga po.